Oh, it ran away. Welcome back to day 12. We've not done very good with the days, so we think it's day 12. And we're off back to EPCOT for the millionth time. What feels like. Because we haven't seen Walt yet. We need a picture with Walt. We haven't sat with him for pictures. Lisa and Shane are going to go on Figment. Sam and I are not going to go on Figment. And we may do Guardians depending on if we can be bothered to keep 70 minutes or not.
How long is the queue now?
70 minutes. But the lads are flagging.
It's
not the word.
No.
What's the word?
I can't. There isn't one. Not one that will go on YouTube.
Yeah. Well, we pretty much had to nearly drag them out of bed. So we're off to the Skyliner for a steady day. If you can call Disney Day steady. Morning. Oh, what are we going to get today? Oh yeah, we're going to play one. Thank you. Oh, it's Nemo. Oh. Are you ready for the most magical flight on Earth?
Is this our last flying day?
Yeah. We'll be on a magical bus tomorrow. EPCOT, here we go. Thank you.
Attractions and stuff here at EPCOT cater to those little ones.
Flirting with the older lady there.
Oh, yes.
I said, good boy, she went this afternoon. I went, oh, I must have had a lion this morning.
Daisy is out every time we come. An upward waterfall in front of Journey into Imagination. I've seen Woodies around this corner. Woody and Bo Peep. Oh, that's Bo Peep. Right, you going in? Where's Lisa? Oh, there. I'm going to go to Butterfly Landing.
Are you not doing Figment at all?
No,
Why?
not queuing for 20 minutes for Figment.
Oh, it's 20 minutes.
I'd rather queue half an hour for Finding Nemo. He's going... Yeah. butterflies have definitely escaped.
I don't know if he got it there or not.
That was cute though. But it was like a greenhouse. And now we're gonna see Finding Nemo. That's what did you say Guardians have gone up to?
95 minutes.
95 minutes.
No, thank you. I'll do it in an hour, but I'm not doing it.
Yeah, 60 minutes. Well, we ain't got any energy left for that long. So, let's go say hello to Nemo and Dory.
But we have to drink these when we get
This sees.
your back.
You can put me in the back. 30 minutes. Mine. I love this music for Nemo.
Just happy to get inside. We've only been outside for 5 minutes, haven't we? It's bloody roast. Do you think you'd be acclimatised by 2 weeks?
Here we go. Inside we go. Oh, that's lovely. Ooh.
Please do not feed the seagulls.
Don't feed the seagulls now.
Nice and dark. It's right, dark and cold. They've got a waterfall.
Watch your step, be careful, start to find out no.
Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for him along the way. Let's go explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore the
Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute.
It's over there.
Oh,
Yes, have you seen it?
Hi, I'm Lori.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo.
where?
Oh, that's funny.
Kind of balloon.
That's jellyfish.
You're good. And I'll see
Jellyfish.
You know what they are?
Jellyfish.
Oh.
Over in the deep.
You're not helping.
Oh.
Oh yeah, too fast for you.
Stop fooling around.
Oh, it's Bruce.
Oh, what a cute little boy.
I thought it needed a cooker.
Awesome! Whoa! Check out the mini marlin! Woohoo!
Give me some fish. Noggin.
Oh, okay, little dudes! Get ready to rock!
come on, explorers.
It's Nemo. Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo.
Let's run away!
Fish in there too. The shark out there.
We're ready to go.
Not too far!
I just can't
not just with manatees, but all species, including the human species here on this planet.
I was waving at me, someone.
Harry back.
Oh, it is really hairy. I can see it now. It is really hairy. They like that pole, don't they, with the... Right. I forgot actually how cute Nemo was. You get to see inside the aquarium at the same time.
That's what I've got in my head. Walt Disney. Alright, take it. I'm so
Shane, are you just trying to mirror his position?
That's what I did.
Did you?
I did exactly the same thing.
Look what you created, Walt. What a special thing they created with putting him there. And he gets his own lights. We now have to get our photo taken in front of EPCOT. One memory maker. And then after that, I'd say we've completed EPCOT. We are going to go back to England for fish and chips. Never spent so much time at home whilst not being at home. Is it that one? I don't want super zoom. Oh, look at Bella! How cool is that? Picture's done. The Moana display is super cute. I'm glad we went to see that. Because obviously you get the Skyliner, you come in from the France entrance. And we could have potentially missed it. Yeah, no worries. So, I did come in the other entrance the other day, but obviously I was running to Winnie the Pooh. So I missed it. I'm glad to get a photo there. We're going to go in the shop. Just see if there's a t-shirt for Simon. He's in a polo shirt and it's a bit hot. And I don't want to do any more washing when we're 2 days out from going home. But what a feat of engineering this is. It took some working out to make this possible. I definitely recommend watching Disney's Imagineering on Disney Plus. One of my favourite things to ever watch. I love how they create things. Whilst keeping the magic. Because we don't know all the secrets. That would ruin it. Oh, look, the monorail. Don't know why it looks like a police monorail. And those colours. At this rate, I'm wearing all my clothes home. This purchase is Simon's fault because he found it and said I would like it. It's for the English weather. But I don't think I'm coming home with any money.
I know, it's great.
Some people are dressed in hoodies. Someone please explain it to me. I don't know how you can climatise to this weather that much that it requires a hoodie. And seeing people in it just makes me twice as hot. We're just trying to find the other half of us. Who said they're in front of Encanto, but I don't see them. Oh, there they are. Oh look, Lisa's bought stuff too.
You'll not like what I
You're not so big.
Oh no. Oh no. She's fully committed.
I love him.
Oh no. We actually thought you'd get the bag.
The bag.
The lounge flower.
Yeah, I did see that. And then Shane's got a mug.
Oh, you finally picked one.
Yeah, I picked them up.
And I bought my mum this, which I
Your mum is
want
getting
for
loads of
myself.
treats.
Yeah. She has stayed at our house for 2 weeks. It's a Mickey
Oh, yeah.
suit.
Oh, that's cute. And just the Mickey bit.
So yeah, I got that.
Shane, what mould did you get?
I can't sort of packed up a minute, but it's like a Mickey Mouse one, and we'll have it black and red.
Oh,
And
nice.
it like says "Oh boy" on it. And it's
Oh boy!
quite retro.
Nice.
Quite cool.
Katie wasn't going to buy anything until I showed
What
her
have you
something.
I was doing so well.
I feel like Katie doesn't take much.
Shirt.
No. I nearly bought another t-shirt, but
What is it?
it's a rain mat.
A little jacket.
That's cute. Yeah, I
I
like that.
thought as soon as I saw
Waterproof
it.
thing.
Yeah.
That's quite nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It's smart.
Perfect for home.
Yes.
You might need to put that in your carry-on.
Well, I've just
You might
vlogged
need
saying
to
I'm
try.
going to.
You're going to take it out
Yeah,
tonight.
keep it with you for the next few days.
Yes, another cheap purchase.
How much was that?
80.
That's not too bad to say that, Jack.
For a coat?
Baseball things are like 8.
Yeah.
It looks good
But
quality.
same price as the spirit dress, isn't it?
Yeah, true.
Either way.
I did see another t-shirt I liked. Sam was like, you don't need another one.
Yeah, you don't need a t-shirt before.
Which one?
It says the magical place on Earth, and then it's got all the characters on it.
To Mexico then.
Oh yeah, you've not been yet. I didn't know. Have you just been to the shop?
Yeah, we just went to the shop and then we just sat in the shade for a bit.
We went-
We wanted to go on Caballeros.
Well, we'll come with you. We're off to Mexico to ride the what are they called?
Caballeros.
Caballeros. Struggling to speak. Are you checking wait time?
No, I would do it.
Let's hope it's not longer than 5 minutes. Anyway, what did you think of the Pigment ride?
I don't think it was too bad.
It was okay.
I feel like Shane liked it more than Lisa.
Yeah.
We're nowhere near as bad as.
Small world.
Lisa also met Figment, so I'll
you go.
get her to send me some photos and I'll insert them now of her. Oh yes, she's hugging him and everything. And I will laugh if that is the only character she meets on this trip. Well, yeah. I will insert them so you can see her hugging Figment. And I am sorry to those of you that love him. Because it is a no from me. I think it's quite scary. And I don't like the ride. Yeah.
It's only 10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. That's about the maximum I'd wait.
That's time for a snack.
Snack? I was thinking full on fish and chips.
Or fish and chips, yeah.
I'm not fancy fish and chips. I might get some.
Or you may.
There's many a country you can pick from. I think you might have, but just in case. At least I might as well add to her collection.
Got like 1,500.
She's on 1,500. What's another one?
Of course you do.
Hoy por ser día de tu santo, te las cantamos aquí. Despierta, mi bien, despierta, mira que ya amaneció. Ya los pajarillos cantan, la luna ya se metió.
To be Indiana Jones.
Yeah, well, this is like Mexican now. No?
This suits you.
With this.
With that.
It's 20 bucks.
20 bucks. Are you going to wear it?
I do like it.
It suits you. But this restaurant looks nice. Look at the view of that restaurant.
Excuse me, who's seen a duck? Ay, ay, ay! Wrong duck! Goodbye! We love the amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. As we go, we sing and we samba, we shout. That means I cannot. Who is? I don't know. Caballeros, see you next time. We'll be watching for you. Catch us on tour. Viva Mexico!
Shock horror. We're back home for fish and chips. Can do. I think you have to have worked at a fish and chip shop at home to work here.
Yeah, maybe I can have experience.
Does it come with lots of salt and vinegar on it?
Yeah, that is thing. If you get that,
Has it got lots of salt and vinegar on like at home?
Salt and vinegar there on the side for you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you, lovely.
No problem.
This smells amazing.
oh my god, there's loads of vinegar in that.
I don't normally have fish and chips at home, but that was amazing.
That was good chips. I would fly all the way here to have those chips. So if you, on a Friday night, fancy some chips, get on a plane, fly. No, maybe not the chips,
Not as flaky.
just the fish.
The fish was amazing. We're not sure they were quite chip shop chips.
No.
But Simon, was it unreal for you?
No, the fish was lovely, but it's not. It wasn't flaky like it was at home. It was just a bit.
But
The batter was great.
it's a nice meal, and it was on our quick service.
Say what sort of fish it was.
Hey, Kinty, we've
Just
had
hey-
this conversation 3 times.
It's quite a nice fish, it's just very, doesn't really have much of a taste.
No, which is probably quite nice for me actually, because I'm not really a fish person. Fish is fish. Do you ever feel like you're walking the wrong way?
But no, I would say leave
No, let's go to America.
that.
That's cool. Have you found it? It's on the other side. Lisa's found it. Just can't get to it yet. I have to see Lisa measure it. Oh, it's going to fit.
Yeah, hold it, I'll do my measurement.
Lisa's measured.
Easy. And with drinks as well.
Plenty of room.
I was say I've just seen that. I think.
It's a nice one.
Wow.
Wally.
It's one of those ones that I don't watch every time we watch it.
How much is it?
45.
That's cheaper than the one we just looked at outside.
Saturday, isn't it? For like 18, like 3 little farts, I think. Right.
Yeah, deluxe print, 44.99.
Oh,
Because that was probably the plain.
Yeah, it's probably a real one rather than a...
the print.
Do you like this one?
This print is amazing. This is the print I want. But I can't find it anywhere. Got Wally?
I got Wally.
Anyone got Simon? Oh, okay. Someone looks happy.
Look at that. Vanilla ice cream and caramel in it, and he even did the caramel in a Mickey shape. It's literally just a cup with ice cream in it.
Yeah, technically.
I'm not so sure.
It is a brioche bun. No ice cream.
No ice cream yet.
All the suspense.
What do we call that?
It's 2.5 feet.
We know.
That's what?
The Q and a half. Still no ice
Yeah, we
cream.
have to move.
Oh, it's coming. Oh my god. Yeah, it was too hot down there.
Everything's just stuck to me now. Everything.
Look at that. Have you had it with ice cream yet? Does it go well with a brioche bun?
Are you videoing yourself? Oh no, you're videoing Lisa. We've got half an hour clip of Lisa eating this bun on what was one episode.
Good,
Halfy.
No, I don't want to.
good snack
Yes. I would definitely eat this every day.
every day.
You can have different flavours of ice cream, so you could have had any flavour. You could have had a mint choc chip.
Oh, no, that's not right. But it's got to be vanilla with chocolate sauce on it, isn't it?
Where's it from? Le Casserole? No.
No, that's a casserole.
Le
Sausage
Casserole?
casserole.
No, it's not from there. The shop around the corner.
It's from this place.
We're trying to get away from beers this weekend.
L'artisan de...
I just said to Shane, how rubbish does our accent sound like in other languages?
Oh, awful.
I just said, can I have a croque glacé, please? I was like, how rubbish does that sound?
All around the
Double
place.
napkins.
We're leaving Epcot. Go back to Pop. Simon's gonna nap, I think. I might go for a dip in the pool.
I'm going for a shower. nice cold shower.
It is so warm. Before we reattempt Hollywood Studios for Phantasmic again later. I think Shane's having the first salad he's ever had in his life.
No, I look at Sundays.
And we're so proud that on day 12 we've got a free drink.
Yeah. Can't get into the freaking salad, man.
What is it? Oh, chicken and cheese.
I think it is literally just a shit ton of lettuce. Some ketchup with that. Maybe, yeah.
We got some dressing.
We'll make it a fancy salad now. Wow, that's a big
It is, yeah.
dressing.
Although it's pretty much all lettuce, so I'll probably need it just so there's a bit of taste. If not, I'm going to go and get a shed load of mayonnaise.
Probably shouldn't be using meal plan for that actually, 'cause I bet that wasn't that expensive.
13.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same as the others.
That's quite a lot.
Wants to be good then, doesn't it?
That's a lot of sauce.
Yeah, it is. We can soon make something that's supposed to be healthy, not healthy.
How's the lettuce leaf?
Saucy. I think what's good for you?
Salad followed by this.
Balanced diet.
This is how you do a balanced diet,
And
folks.
it's chocolate and vanilla ice cream.
With a chocolate brownie.
Chirpy about this meal.
Way better.
You actually seem more chirpy than you have been all day.
Yeah. All week. 2 weeks.
Where'd you get it from? Oh, that was fun. She made it pretty as well.
Yeah. Because I'm pretty. Only the 100th time of going round here.
You can give us a tour then.
Shane's giving us a guided tour of the lake.
On the left you'll see a car park. On the right you'll see a lake.
We'll have to have a nosy at art of animation. Well, I am. Shane and Lisa have been already.
Have you ever seen any turtles in this lake? No, neither have I.
Shane, how many times do you think you've walked around this lake?
I don't even know. Too many.
Shane's been doing laps in the morning while we all sleep.
I've gone round a couple of times before now.
What, you just thought, oh, I'll go again?
Nice.
Do you race yourself each time? See if you can do it quicker.
Do you stop there and go across the bridge at the Skyliner?
I've been before now.
Why, can you go further?
Yeah.
Can you go all the way around?
Yeah, it's only one half a lake. The whole thing all the way around is about a mile.
Oh,
But it'll feel like 27 miles in
I know, yeah.
At least there's lots to look at on the way.
Yeah, it's car parks, lakes.
There must be alligators then, if they've got signs.
I wonder what they do if there is an alligator. Do they have to get it removed
Yeah, probably.
by RSPCA?
Travellers, wireless.
Yeah, but the equipment.
Yeah, did the RSPCA come this far? The RSPCA barely come for a dog at home, never mind an alligator.
I've left the phone.
Where have you phone?
Oh no.
Well, I take enough pictures for both of us, so you won't be missing out on the memories.
Well, we think this is the boundary.
Yeah.
Pop, art of animation. I really hope we get to see Phantasmic tonight.
Similar to that, doesn't it? Also good. Oh, definitely good.
No, absolutely not. I bet we'll see him again.
Yeah, I bet you will. Like,
He'll do laps.
Yeah, when we pass it, was killed out on the floor.
We've made it to Radiator Springs. Luigi's. Is that in the pool, the cones?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you can sit in the cones, I think. I think they're a bit like
You
little
got
cabins.
Luigi's Leaning Tower of Tires.
This is so cool.
Way better over it.
Oh, I think this is my favourite already.
You go further down and the path is a road. It's all like that.
Oh, look at people sunbathing in the cones.
You could have a cone each. Well,
Oh, how cool is this? The wheel.
got a picture of Lightning McQueen.
Yes, please.
I'd like one as well, because last time we came, there were children. Oh, it's really squishy on that.
The Wheel Wow Motel. How cool is that? That's so cool. There's not even any kids in there, Paul.
No. That looks good, doesn't it? I think, are there more kids in like the Little Mermaid one? It seemed to be a bit busy around there last time we came.
I wonder if you
Well,
get to pick.
The Finding Nemo one is the main
Oh
one.
yeah, that one was busy.
Oh, this is cool.
Have you taken pictures of them with the headlights on?
No, you just walk through.
Picture here, wow.
The Cozy Cone sign. Honk for service, love it. Oh, there's no vacancy. Luigi! But then there's Maida. Ta Maida, yes please. Like the lobby's got cactuses in cones. Can't get my words out. What is this? It's a radio. Casa della Tires, Luigi. Cruising down the road.
Good job.
Good job. Think sheriff slow, you won't get busted. Think again.
Because he's not rusted.
I've got a rusty sticker on the toolbox.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You should get one on your van.
No.
It's a shame they don't do Disney stickers. Because you could have put one on your van.
Yeah.
In your back window. They do magnets that would look good as stickers, but or a dino one.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that'd be cool. Got the sheriff. And the Hudson Hornet. Ah! Oh, that's cool. Mine. So I presume this is the Finding Nemo pool.
Which is called the drop off. Which I thought was quite
That's
funny.
hilarious.
Looks like they're growing Christmas trees here.
Oh yeah. Under the sea. Ooh. Can we refill from here, from the bar, or not? Do we have to go inside? You can do it there.
Good, it's that.
Okay.
You can have a look in the shop.
Oh, duh.
Not that you need to buy anything else, but there is a shop.
Oh, they've got jumping
Oh, no,
jellyfish.
this is called the drop.
Oh, the bar's the dropper.
I guess
Stephen is made out of the little fish.
Oh yeah, doing the. And I won't show you the pool because there's too many kids in there.
Oh, but look at Crush.
Oh, Cush in the distance. It's not as cool as Cars.
No.
Oh, that aircon feels good. Got the arcades, Pixel Play.
Pretty much done.
Oh, it's the same, isn't it? So, oh, the animation lot in drawings as they. That's cool. Yeah, signed by the. Right. Oh, the shop looks better. Oh no. Is it mostly the same, I presume?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, I like the green t-shirts, cool. Ooh. What's in this one? Oh, the cruise one. I haven't seen these in many places.
No. There's at once.
Oh, you can get Grogu from here.
Yeah.
Oh, and Groot. Yeah, a lot of people have asked me about Grogu, where I got him from. Art of Animation merch. T-shirt. Bag. We don't have a pot bag. A mug.
Oh, and the ears.
I think we have pop ears.
Yeah, we do actually.
I do like those ears. Oh, they're on the back.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's just a shame it says Art of Animation in the middle.
Yeah. Yeah. But like rock and roll. Who's this one?
So he's out of
Lady in the Tramp.
Lady in the Tramp.
Lady, Pluto, Percy. Is that Mocky off Big Hero 6? Fairy Baby.
Oh, must be.
Marie.
It's not many.
Figaro.
Yeah.
Like they could have done like millions of different.
Yeah, not many cats made it. I was thinking Simon could have this shirt. I really like this in a weird way. You know, like with leggings, wear it over the top. Bit of 80s. Oh yeah, that's quite nice. I don't think we've seen that. What's on the back? Oh, Mickey and Friends. Yeah, I like that one. I feel like we've not seen that. No. We are browsing. Just checking that we know. Hungry? Oh, full on. Oh boy.
I really like these sketchy ones.
Yeah, they're nice. Oh, they are. They're as big as the Starbucks ones, aren't they?
And I like these, but
Again, they're massive.
that's the one I like.
Oh, nice.
This I thought it's got like a narrower top.
On the hunt to replace my mum's Disney earrings, but I've not found any yet that I think she'll like. They're quite nice.
Oh yeah, look at this.
What flavours
Looks
are they?
nice. Caramel cheddar mix.
I mean,
the weirdest thing you've ever seen?
yeah, I can't imagine. Right. Ooh. Oh, we've got different sections. So the Lion King, Radiator Springs. That's cool. Just like we're entering Pride Rock. And welcome by Rafiki.
I mean, imagine looking out of the window and turning to see. Well, that's the point. We don't have a window.
Just this.
What we do when it goes onto the balcony.
Yeah. Oh, look. Timon, Pumbaa, Simba. How cool is that? We've made it to the elephant graveyard with the hyenas. And Scar is over there. And Lisa's made her way into the... Oh, there's one up there.
Yep, all over the place.
I might just have to do here. Okay, now pretend you're falling off. And then just don't get my feet.
It looked just like the film, honest.
Really realistic.
There you go.
Thank you. Zazu. Who sings Shane's favourite ride at Disney? It's a small world after all.
Singing it a lot. That's what usually happens.
We could put the Duloc song in there.
Dee 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 dee. Wipe your face. I need to learn more words.
Yeah, we do. Next time we're going to know all the words.
Do like this.
I wonder if, you know, at Universal, they've got the DreamWorks land. I wonder whether they've got that there. The Welcome
Oh
to
yeah, I've not
Dreamland.
seen it on anyone's
That would be cool.
videos. Right, we're entering Little Mermaid. Oh my god, Ursula's never been so big. So we've got the pipe.
And the fork.
Oh, and the fork!
Or the dingle hopper.
Also known as a dingle hopper.
The dingle hopper. Don't know.
Because she puts a fork in her hair, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Jules. Don't quite remember the...
Go on, Shane, have a picture with Eric. I just saw that enthusiasm.
I thought you should have had one with the pipe, really. Oh dear. Sorry, kids. King Triton.
Oh, she lives at the gym because she's ripped up. What?
Obviously.
That lizard just came out and ate a fly or something that was on the floor and ran back.
Oh.
Had his teeth.
Should we go the Ursula way?
Yeah.
She's doing my pose.
Yeah.
Maybe that's where I've got it from.
Like twins.
Savage. Dancing Sebastian. Let's go find Ariel and Flounder. Cars Land is definitely the best.
Oh yeah. 100%.
I think I'd only want to stay there.
Yeah, I wonder if you can pick or if you just, if it's like ours where you just get allocated whatever you can request, but there's no guarantee.
Yeah, I'd be upset if I didn't get cars.
Which is the bigger one? You think they're all about the same size?
Yeah, they're probably pretty similar.
I liked how each side was themed as well. Like,
Yeah. Oh, look at the pool rules sign. Like on Ursula's contract thing.
again, I'm not filming the pool. Way too many kids in it.
Could end up on a regular trip.
I spot flounder.
Everything is laid out exactly the same. The rooms are probably the same size. It's just the theming, isn't it?
Yeah.
And maybe a little bit of extra choice in the... No. Oh, and... No, and they've just got windows straight out.
Because what did we look at? I think we looked at staying in the Little Mermaid suite. I think they have some bigger rooms here. But they weren't didn't include the dining plan or something.
Yeah. Photo?
Yep, please. We made it to the other side of the lake. Now we're going to see what Pop's got to offer.
What haven't we seen at Pop? I've not really seen the Luca, and I've not seen the lady in the tram. We didn't ever look at what a doodle skirt was.
Oh yeah,
Shall I look it up?
No, poodle.
Oh, is it a poodle?
it's a poodle skirt. What area is it in? Is it from the 70s?
A doodle skirt is a wide swing felt skirt of a solid colour.
Oh, who knew?
Oh, it's like this one.
Oh, it's one of
Well, what
those.
swing dance as well.
With an actual poodle. Yes, look at you go.
Oh, yeah.
She knew exactly what skirt we meant.
Skirt connoisseur. Oh my god, it looks like the Springfield school bus.
Yeah.
That's proper American bus.
So this section of the 50s is all getting revamped. It's got all stickers on the glass windows. I don't think we're in a new room. Sorry, am I in the way?
No, I want you to be in it because I want to look at the size of it.
How tall am I against a
Very little.
a giant pinball? Pinball? What are they called?
Loads of photos of you lot, like walking towards things.
Bowling pin, that's the word.
So would Lady be in here?
I think
Or if she sits this, should we just have a quick look, see what there is, and then we can pop back out?
we can walk through the middle if you want.
Oh yeah.
Like we did the last one.
Right, what's that?
You've got lots of jukebox on this one.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, Lady in the Tramp.
Can we get some photos of those?
Well, see, we do have Lady in the Tramp, guys, at Pop. And what is this? Massive jukebox.
Oh, the bowling shoes, look.
Oh yeah, bowling shoes. And the ball is a bowling pin, but I can't show you that because kids are in it. But it'd be cool if you could pick one.
Yeah.
Like pick a letter and it played. Or number.
Or both.
Or both, yeah. Because it requires both. So in the 50s you've got Lady and the Tramp. And the doghouse. Aww. That's cute. Here's Shane and the Tramp. Love it. Don't feel like you're taking the mick out of our pictures at all.
I just assumed that's what you do.
Pop the knee, arm up.
That's it.
He's a pro.
I've been practicing at home really.
Right, so that's 50s.
I love
Why?
these lizards. Like, they just run them. If you spook them, they just go.
And no, get even quicker. So where does this bring us out? Is that the hippy dippy?
Yeah. I think.
Yeah, it looks hippy dippy.
Yeah, it is.
It's got flowers on the side.
We've done 1.5 miles.
Have we? I mean, that breeze feels nice, but it doesn't bode well.
No, it doesn't. Well, if Fantasmic doesn't happen, we'll have to find it on
With the
YouTube.
yo-yo.
That's it, it'll be on YouTube.
Oh yeah. Baloo and Mowgli are at the hippy dippy pool.
What's it? Play-Doh on the other side.
Oh, and Play-Doh on the other side. Oh, they've done their window pool. Is it? I feel like the bowling pin looked bigger. Here's the Play-Doh.
This was the one being below the speakers, wasn't it?
Oh, right, yeah. I'm not getting the Play-Doh effect. I suppose that's just the lid. And you're saying I could make them out of Play-Doh? I don't think so. See?
Not quite got the
Mowgli,
leg work right.
his leg's a bit straight.
He's got very big feet.
How's that?
His feet are bigger than his legs.
Oh, Baloo's in the tree a bit. People go all out at Pop. This one's pretty cute. I do pin trading. Oh wow. Oh, one's fallen off. Here we are. What time is it?
7:30.
It is 10:15.
It's 10:15 and we've been lying here.
I've been here for 4 hours.
Since the thunderstorm started at like 7:30. So Fantasmic got cancelled. These lot have had the world of snacks. So again, we didn't get to see Fantasmic. We might try again tomorrow. But the weather doesn't look great for tomorrow either. Stay dressed, Simon. Oh God. But for me, Grogu and the rest of these lot.
And Rex, don't forget Rex.
Oh, Max. Oh, and Figment.
No, don't include Figment.
Night from all of us.